we are making mutton chops today, the boiling process. So for that I have oil in the pan, pot, oil in the pot, and we are going to add onions, little bit of ginger garlic, celery seeds, turmeric powder, salt. All goes in. Give it a stir. Now add chops. Okay, chop and cook it for 10 minutes. Then add water, 4 cups of water. Sometime add 4 cups of water and fish is nice and tender. It boil on medium heat for about 20 minutes. Already 10 minutes has done, so another 20 minutes and our boiled chops will be ready for the masala chops. Nagpur style masala chops. For that I took a wok and added 1/4 cup of oil. In goes, this is the dry masala, 2.5 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 3/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 3 teaspoons coriander powder, half cup of finely chopped onion, 1/4 cup of finely chopped tomato, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, 6 tablespoons of masala. In this masala I have garam masala and half cup of toasted onions grounded into the paste. So first in goes turmeric and mustard and cumin. Once they flutter, then add finely chopped onion. Let's cook the onion for 3 to 4 minutes until it's translucent. Add a little salt. It cooks faster. Onions are translucent, so I'm going to add ginger paste first, and then let's cook the ginger paste for ginger garlic and coriander paste for about 2 minutes. Now the ginger is cooked nicely, ginger garlic paste cooked nicely, so we are going to add our garam masala paste. We'll fry garam masala about 2 to 3 minutes. It takes 2 to 3 minutes to fry the garam masala. For my garam masala paste, I had taken half a cup of finely chopped onion and 2 tablespoons of coconut. I fried that, and later on I added 4 tablespoons of this garam masala and grinded into the paste. So this is how I made Nagpuri garam masala paste for the mutton chops masala. Our masala is nicely cooked. I'm going to add all these spices, dry spices, red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder and salt, and mix it nicely and cook for another 1 minute. Add little water. So it gives that nice red color to our chops. Add some more water in between to bring out the red chili powder color. See, this nice red color is popping out, and oil also is coming on out. So now in this stage we will add finely chopped tomato and let the tomato cook nicely. To cook the tomato, I'm adding this much water until tomato softens, and cooking it on medium heat. Cook all tomato and masala for about 1 to 2 minutes with lid on. After 2 to 3 minutes, the tomatoes are softened, so smash the tomato with spoon like this. So our masala is ready for chops. So I'm going to, since I'm making curry also, so I'm going to take out 2 tablespoons of masala for the curry. This masala will go into curry because I do it at the same pot, because that way we will use the less oil and less masala. Masala will go in this curry. Now at this stage I'm going to add chops to the cooked masala. And then these are some bones, leg bones. I kept it for the rasta curry. We'll let it simmer these chops for about 10 minutes on low heat. So the masala will be nicely coated to our chops. At this stage we can add coriander. Cook mutton chops with masala for about 5 minutes on low heat. And after 5 minutes, chops will be ready. So now Nagpuri style masala chops are ready to serve. The stock of mutton chops. For curry, I have already cooked masala. In goes this masala to the mutton chops stock. I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala to the chops curry. Little bit of coriander. After it comes to boil, then it will be ready to serve. This is how we plate our Nagpuri masala style goat chops, goat curry, bullet naan. And now everyone is going to enjoy Nagpuri style mutton chops.